There are traitors inside your house right now. They're not people. They're your smart devices. Your camera, your doorbell, even your smart fridge. Hackers aren't breaking into them. They're just logging in with default passwords that were never changed. But here's the terrifying part. They are secretly turning your smart home into a weapon. Without you knowing, your baby monitor could be used in an attack to knock a hospital offline. So be honest. After hearing this, do you still trust your smart devices? Yes or no in the comments. Because most people think their biggest threat comes from outside their four walls. They have no idea that